Hello everyone, welcome to the Tenorshare channel. In this guide, I will show you how to use Tenorshare PDNob to convert PDF to image. Unlike PDF, image format allows us to preview directly and insert directly into PPT without additional layout. Let's take a look at how to do it. First, open Tenorshare PDNob. You can see the Convert PDF option on the main page. Click it and select the PDF file to be converted. Here you can choose to convert all the contents of the PDF into images, or you can choose fixed pages. Then, in the lower left corner, select the output format as JPG or PNG, as long as you like. Finally, select the output location and click the Convert option. It only takes a few seconds to see that each page of the PDF has become an independent high-definition picture, ready to be inserted into your presentation document or social platform. Very simple, that's it. In addition to converting PDF to images, PDNob is also a multifunctional software, a one-stop solution for editing and processing documents. If you are interested, you can download it through the link below the video. If you like this tutorial, remember to like and follow and leave a message to share your experience.